What if I told you there's an app that blurs the line between pixels and sorcery? Hey there, creative minds! Before we dive into the digital art revolution, smash that like button, share the love, and hit subscribe to stay on the cutting edge of creativity. Now, let's unveil the top 7 graphic design apps that every digital artist freelancer should have in their arsenal. Alright, let's talk about the Sketchbook app, the digital artist's Swiss Army knife. This app is like a genie in a bottle for freelancers, except instead of 3 wishes, you get an endless array of brushes and tools. Freelancers can harness their power to create everything from quick doodles to intricate masterpieces that can be sold online. With features that mimic the natural feel of traditional media, artists can produce work that's both authentic and digital. And here's the kicker: if you can whip up a single sketch a day and sell it for $50 to $100, you could be raking in $2,000 to $3,000 a month. That's right, with Sketchbook, your talent isn't just showcased, it's monetized. So, whether you're designing banners, greeting cards, or joining the RPG and gaming industry, Sketchbook is your ticket to turning pixels into paychecks. Just remember, while Sketchbook won't clutter your desk with physical brushes, it'll help clutter your wallet with cash. Let's zoom into the world of Clip Studio Paint app, where freelancers can turn their digital art into digital gold. This app is a treasure trove for comic creators and illustrators, offering a brush stroke of genius with every swipe. Freelancers can monetize their mastery by crafting custom brushes, textures, and assets to sell on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. But wait, there's more! By becoming an affiliate partner, savvy artists can earn commissions promoting the app they love. And for those who live to draw another day, platforms like Upwork are a goldmine for Clip Studio Paint gigs, where your art isn't just seen, it's commissioned. So, whether you're sketching superheroes or designing the next big manga hit, Clip Studio Paint is your virtual studio where art meets opportunity and opportunity pays the bills. Dive into the digital depths of Art Studio Pro, where freelancers find a goldmine of creative potential. This app is like a secret weapon for artists, transforming iPads into digital studios that rival the Louvre's backrooms. Freelancers can use its advanced features to create stunning visuals and then sell them as prints, merchandise, or even ENFs. But wait, there's more! With Art Studio Pro, you're not just an artist. You're a one-person art factory. You can churn out logos and website designs and even teach online courses on how to master the app's magic. And let's not forget the custom brushes. Create your own, and you might just become the Picasso of the digital brush world. So, monetize your brush strokes and color palettes with Art Studio Pro and watch as your bank account blooms like a well-nurtured canvas. Just remember, in the world of freelance art, it's not just about making money, it's about making Monet. Step right up to the digital canvas of SketchPro app, where freelancers can paint their way to prosperity. This app isn't just a tool, it's a money-making machine for the creatively inclined. With its AI-powered artistry and a palette that would make Van Gogh weep with joy, SketchPro is the perfect sidekick for freelancers looking to monetize their masterpieces. Whether you're crafting concept art for the next indie game sensation or designing bespoke emojis that make texting a work of art, SketchPro has got you covered. And the best part? You can join the ranks of the 100,000-strong community of graphic designers who are already showcasing their work and connecting with potential clients. So, put on your digital beret, and let's turn those brush strokes into banknotes. Adobe Fresco is the digital artist's dream, blending the tactile joy of painting with the tech-savvy world of touch devices. Freelancers, imagine this: your iPad becomes a canvas where your strokes are as fluid as watercolors and as sharp as vectors. With Fresco, you can create digital illustrations for books, design original artwork for branding, or even produce assets for video games and animations. And the cherry on top: Adobe Fresco's seamless integration with Photoshop and Illustrator means you can start a project on Fresco and finish it on your desktop without skipping a beat. It's like having a portable art studio that fits in your bag, except it doesn't leave paint smudges on your sandwich. So, monetize your Fresco finesse by selling your creations or teaching others the art of digital painting. After all, in the world of freelancing, every brushstroke is a potential cha-ching. A Vectornator, the sleek vector graphics app that's a freelancer's dream come true. It's like having a magic wand that turns basic lines and shapes into crisp, clean, and cash-worthy designs. Freelancers can wield Vectornator to create logos that make brands pop, typography that sings, and illustrations that tell a story without saying a word. And here's the kicker. With Vectornator, you can design once and sell everywhere from digital marketplaces to your website. Plus, if you're feeling extra entrepreneurial, you can teach others the art of vector wizardry through online courses or tutorials. So, grab your digital pen, conjure up some vector magic, and watch those designs transform into delightful dollars. With Vectornator, you're not just pushing pixels. You're crafting a career as scalable as your vectors. Procreate is the digital artist's playground, where freelancers can turn their strokes of genius into streams of income. This app is like a magic brush that turns doodles into dollars. Freelancers can create and sell bespoke digital artwork, from ethereal landscapes to snazzy character designs. But it's not just about selling art. It's about selling the experience. With Procreate, savvy artists can craft custom brushes and sell them to fellow creatives or whip up educational content for budding Picassos. And let's not forget the lucrative world of print on demand, where your Procreate designs can grace everything from t-shirts to tote bags. So, if you're looking to monetize your Procreate prowess, the possibilities are as layered as your most complex piece. Just remember, every swipe on the screen could be a swipe towards your next paycheck. As we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which of these apps have you tried, and how have they transformed your art? Drop your experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with our digital art journeys. And remember, the canvas of tomorrow is in your hands today. Keep pushing the boundaries and stay tuned for more creative explorations. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more artistic adventures. Your next masterpiece is just an app away. And remember, the canvas of tomorrow is in your hands today. Keep pushing the boundaries and stay tuned for more creative explorations. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.